Here we go. Oh, wow. Let's get another bite of that bad boy. Look at that. Let's go. Welcome back to Doug's Top Dogs. We're going to do the Monte Cristo dog. So we're going to do a little take on that, but hot dog version. You know, I was thinking, you know, how do we do a hot dog but with something sweet? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to give it a try. So here on the griddle, I got 3 hot dogs. These are the Kirkland hot dogs, not the quarter pounders, a little smaller. I have to say, first time trying them, pretty good hot dogs. They got a nice little snap to them, so I kind of like them. Who knows? May want to use them on the cart. We're still testing out hot dogs and all that stuff. So anyways, we got those griddling up. So next up, what kind of bun are we going to use? We are going to use, I get these from Trader Joe's, the only New England style type roll I can get. It's brioche. Top split, but you can get the little face on there so you can grill them up. So we're going to dip that in some French toast batter, get those griddled up. From there, once the hot dogs cook, we'll put those in there. So now, Monte Cristo, what do we got? We need some Swiss cheese. I thought about Swiss cheese slices, and I'm like, no, especially on the cart, hard to melt. I don't really have a good way to melt it. So if I do run this, and I'll probably just do it as a special, I'm going to need a sauce. So over here, we made up some Swiss cheese sauce. It's nice and thick, kind of like what I want. That way I can just spread it on the dog. So we got our Swiss cheese sauce, we got a bread, French toast, batter. So now what do we need left? Raspberry. Usually they serve with a side of raspberry preserves and then some powdered sugar. So once we get it all built up, we got some made a little raspberry preserve sauce we got right there. It's going to go on top. And in here we got some good old powdered sugar. So no sense of boring you cooking hot dogs. We're going to get these grilled up real nice. Then I'll bring it back once we get closer. Getting the French toast going and all that good stuff. So we'll be back. All right, here we go. Hot dogs are nice and grilled up. Got them set off to the side. Got the cheese sauce staying warm. So let's get the French toast going. So we just got some restaurant butter style oil here. We're going to put down. Here we go. I'm not going to soak them too heavy because I don't want them to fall apart. Got to kind of keep its integrity here. All right, see how we're looking here. Oh yeah, nice and golden. That's what we're talking about. Let's get these flipped over. There we go. All right, we'll get that other side nice and golden, beautiful, and then we build. All right, let's see how we're looking. Look at that. Slippery bastards. Anyways, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. So these are looking perfect. Just what we want. Let's get these hot dogs back on get them fired back up here. Get them warmed up and then we'll start building. All right, here's what I think we're gonna do. We're gonna stand these up. Like that. Get them spread apart. Hot dog in there we go. Next up, some cheese sauce. Let's go right over the top. Get them over to the plate. See what we can maybe get a decent decent look to these. All right, like that, like that. All right, so next up, we need our raspberry preserves. That. And last but least, powdered sugar. All right, here we go. Check these bad boys out. Now, kind of sagging a little bit and whatever, but these are these brioche buns from Trader Joe's. Now, I can order some, probably some more durable, actual New England style rolls, you know, and get them shipped, which I'm probably going to get some to test it out, and it'll be more durable, more presentable, a little bit bigger too. But for research and development, these will work just fine. And the brioche is a beautiful thing that goes excellent with this. So they don't look too bad. Second thought on there, probably a little less cheese sauce, especially if I do it on a cart. You know, smaller amount of cheese sauce on there, because actually that's loading it down. It's going to be great, obviously, with all the cheese on there and whatever. But anyways, a little less of that cheese sauce. So enough of that. First attempt at these things. Let's get a bite of it and see how it tastes. Let's take these in ones. I put some gloves on because these things are messy. So I mean, once you squeeze it together, it's not bad. However, here we go. Oh wow! Let's get another bite of that bad boy. Look at that. Let's go. All right, I gotta say, these things rock. It works. It works. That sweetness, but I mean, you get that French toast bite in there with that brioche bread. Beautiful thing. Definitely get the raspberry preserves, the sweetness, powdered sugar. But it's a, you know, that Costco dog is a good quality dog in there too. It all works together. I mean, come on, if it works with the, you know, ham and turkey or whatever on a real Monte Cristo, why wouldn't it work with a hot dog? Come on, beautiful thing. Well, there you go. Monte Cristo hot dogs. Beautiful thing, I will say. And that is it for this video. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.